Today, I'll be unboxing and testing the T732 microphone from Fifine. The microphone and all of its accessories come in a plain brown box with a Fifine logo in the center. Opening up the box first reveals a user guide with some paperwork and a pop filter. Removing the piece of foam on top reveals some more items such as some replacement bands for the shock mount, a USB Type-B to Type-A cable, a windscreen and a mount for the tripod stand, a shock mount, a desk clamp, a boom arm, and the Fifine T732 USB condenser microphone. The microphone has a minimal matte black finish with some branding at the front. The user guide shows how to properly mount the microphone to either the boom arm or tripod, how to correctly position it for recording and set up for use with a computer. This microphone kit offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to mounting options. I really like this as my janky desk will simply not work with the clamp and boom arm, so I can instead make use of the tripod. It's nothing too complicated, the microphone attaches to a ring mount and it goes onto the tripod just like that. But if you prefer using a boom arm, just like literally every other microphone kit I've reviewed, you put the clamp on your desk, install the boom arm, and install the microphone with the shock mount. Anyways, now I'd like to share my experience having used this microphone. First of all, this entire video and my most recent upload were recorded using this microphone. You can be the judge of how it sounds, but personally, I think the audio quality is very solid. Speaking of audio quality, I've learned how to properly record audio and the microphones I've tested previously are still very good options, but were probably not being well represented as I wasn't using proper recording software then. With that being said, this microphone is great. Besides my use for it in content creation, so far it's been serving me well for voice chatting while playing games. I could have the microphone on my desk just to the side of my keyboard while still being heard clearly by my friends. Another budget microphone from Fifine, the T669, from what I could gather has similar if not the exact level of audio quality, and it costs $10 more than the T732. This kit is a very solid value as while you do lose out on a built-in volume knob, you're still getting awesome audio and build quality along with all of the accessories needed to get set up. If you're in the market for a microphone for content creation, gaming, or streaming, at $50 on Amazon, the T732 microphone kit from Fifine is a great option. Thanks again to Fifine for sending me this kit for review. If you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll put buying links in the video description in case you're interested. Anyways guys, hopefully you found this video useful in some way. Don't forget to leave a like and make sure you're subscribed and have notifications enabled for more quality tech videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.